Hi, I'm Heather Swope. Today I'm going to tell you about Boson Protocol, Web3's commerce layer. Boson Protocol enables you to sell physical products as NFTs in a decentralized way. Until now, there have been very few integration points between Web3 and the real world. Boson Protocol opens the door to the physical world and enables you to sell your physical products as redeemable NFTs. Redeemable NFTs, or RNFTs, can be thought of as forward contracts for physical things, programmed within smart contracts. Rather than tokenizing physical assets themselves, redeemable NFTs tokenize the right to receive a physical asset within a given time period. By leveraging a common token standard, our NFTs can take advantage of existing Web3 infrastructure and can be held, transferred, or traded like any other NFT. This means your buyers can exchange or transfer the right to receive your product right up to the point they decide to redeem it. Boson Protocol gives you access to edit your RNFT collection on OpenSea and enables you to charge secondary royalties on OpenSea and marketplaces that support EIP 2981. Boson Protocol enables the sale of digitals, physical items, and their digital twins out of the box. Boson Protocol also enables token gating. Customize your sale to allow only token holders to access your products. Token gating gives you the opportunity to create exclusive events and benefits for your community based on the tokens they hold. The Boson Protocol dAPP offers full decentralization with easy customization options, making the most of Web3's composability by leveraging some of the best-known decentralized technologies. These technologies include IPFS, the Graph, XMTP, and Lens Protocol. The dAPP also allows you to create your own storefront. You can easily customize branding, colors, fonts, and visual assets of the dAPP. Your storefront is hosted on IPFS, and you can link to it from your ENS or DNS domain. With Boson Protocol, you can sell where your customers are. You can sell on the Boson Protocol Marketplace dAPP. You can use the dAPP to create your own custom storefront, or you can build your own website to interact with the Boson Protocol smart contracts using the Boson Protocol SDK. How is this relevant to Python developers? The Boson Protocol Marketplace dAPP frontend was built using React with TypeScript. It uses the Boson Protocol TypeScript SDK to interact with the Boson Protocol smart contracts. It could be an interesting project for a Python developer to build a Python SDK to interact with the smart contracts. It might also be interesting to build a storefront or marketplace using a Python framework. You can even apply for a grant from Boson Protocol to support your build. Here are some important links that you can use to learn more about Boson Protocol. Thank you, and we hope to see you taking part in the Boson Protocol ecosystem.